So how do you get a title for a vehicle that you've purchased from a deceased person or a family of a deceased person or an estate? This is Dave at cartitles.com. If you've purchased a car and the owner has either since deceased or has died prior to you buying it, it's very important to understand that the probate system may affect the titling on that car. If you bought a car from a family member of somebody who has recently died, even if the title's been signed over to you, you want to make sure that that vehicle was not part of any kind of probated estate, because if the person who owned the car before, who is now deceased, had any kind of debts or claims or judgments against them, that vehicle may be part of that estate, may be part of liquidating that probate. So if a person has a power of attorney or an executorship for that estate, normally that's going to transfer the car to you directly. If you don't get a title for the car, or if it's signed by somebody other than the actual person who owned it, then you may have some liability, or that car may be a source of recapture or recovery for debts that the prior owner may have had. So double check to make sure. If you know that the person who had the vehicle has deceased or was part of an estate, that you make sure that there was no probate open, there was no will that gave the car to somebody else, or there was no debts that car could be made to liquidate. If you have questions about doing a title recovery on a vehicle, you can reach us at our website at cartitles.com.